all my fellow YouTube supporters. Guess what? Today I'm going to unbox my beautiful YouTube play button. So there's two of them here. The silver and the gold in my very own hand, like right now. So now let's get started. So here's the letter that YouTube gave us, so let's see what did they write. Just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers of YouTube can get really big, and we hope that you don't lose sight of reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, and entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. And we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO YouTube. Thank you, Susan, for everything. thank you all my YouTube supporters. Thank you very very much. You guys really are amazing. I hope you guys will still support, watch, share, like, comment, and of course subscribe for more. Have a nice day.